Welcome, dear viewers, to an exciting journey of taste and nutrition. Today, we are uncovering the secrets of a special green smoothie, a delightful concoction that not only teases your taste buds, but also plays a significant role in promoting weight loss and overall health. Our ingredients for today's recipe are ripe bananas, fresh spinach, crisp apples, a dash of ginger, a spoonful of chia seeds, and a generous pour of almond milk. Each of these components brings its unique charm to the table, making this smoothie a powerhouse of health benefits. The ripe bananas, packed with fiber, keep you feeling full and satisfied, while the spinach, a low-calorie leafy green, is rich in iron and vitamins. The crisp apples, high in fiber and water, will give your metabolism a good kickstart. The ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, aids digestion. Chia seeds, a well-known superfood, are high in protein, helping to reduce appetite and food intake. Lastly, almond milk makes this smoothie creamy and delicious while being a great source of vitamin E. Now, the creation of this magical drink begins. The ripe bananas, with their natural sweetness, form the base of our smoothie. In goes the spinach, adding a vibrant green color and a host of nutrients. The crisp apples join the mix, ready to release their refreshing flavor. A dash of ginger fires up the blend with its unique zest. A spoonful of chia seeds lend their crunch and health benefits. Finally, almond milk ties everything together, creating a smooth, creamy texture. The result is a beautifully blended green smoothie, rich in nutrients and bursting with flavor. But the real test is in the tasting. Ah, the perfect balance of sweet and fresh, creamy and zesty. It's a symphony of flavors that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also works wonders for your health and weight loss goals. In summary, this delightful green smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients, promoting weight loss and overall health. It's a perfect blend of taste and health, making it a must-try for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. We hope you'll try this recipe at home and share your experiences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more such exciting recipes and health tips. Until then, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep savoring the joy of healthy eating.